Are you a machine shop? Do you have all these templates that you need to save as files on your computers? Do you have CNC machines, laser cutters, plasma cutters, water jets? Well, with the Logic Trace system, all I have to do is trace an outline with the pen stylus, and I get a great outline for saving on my computer for a CNC machine. I can do drawing, I can do lines, I just trace right along a pattern, and then I can save it as a file on my computer. There it is, very fast. Let's do the top now. This time though, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the cursor. The cursor here is a magnifying glass and a crosshair, but it will allow me to digitize on top of the pattern. So I can get these nice corners for the inside there. I forgot to hit start. Let's do trace start. Just push the button there on the top, and I will get the inside outline very easily, very accurately. I can trace anything with the Logic Trace system, then save a file on my computer. There it is. It looks great. Let's save the file.